How to add friends on Clash Royale without link. If you want to add friend in Clash Royale without using a link, let me show you how. Open a Clash Royale application. From here, you have to go to the clan tab or friend list. Then tap on show. Here you can see the option of add friends. You can simply tap on search bar. From here, you can search player by their name or tag. If you are in a clan, you can also see their profile there. Once you have found the player you want to add, tap on their profile and select add friend. Once they have accepted your request, you will be officially friend in Clash Royale and you can start challenging them or chatting. And that's it. Now you know how to add friend in Clash Royale without a link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.